Hey guys, just wanted to show you how Caddi can save you a ton of money on your trades. Let's say you're swapping half an ETH for something like Temple. This is a token which doesn't have huge liquidity on Uniswap. So what Caddi will do is make sure that you get the optimal trade and you can save a huge amount of money. You can see that the price impact is 87% here. And what Caddi will do is intercept your trade and make sure that you're saving $790 on this one transaction, including gas. We're going to execute this, and you're going to be very grateful that you installed Caddi. Here we go. The swap's just going through, and we're swapping through the DEX aggregator Matcha. So it's taking your trade from Uniswap, it's swapping it through Matcha, and your savings are close to $800, which is pretty huge. And in doing this with every single trade, you never know when you might come across a giant saving like this. It's super valuable. You can see that this trade's gone through, and you can even share it on your socials, view the block explorer. It's gone through, and it's gone through 0x. You've just traded and saved yourself a bunch. Have fun with it, guys. Take care.